Alright, so boy, let's see what's in here. Oh, man. They don't put the usual thing on this one. Huh. Interesting. Sure doesn't feel like 10 of them in there. Pack of 10. So anyway, that's what they look like. Sealed. Let's see what we got. Yeah, anti-static. These are probably on the small side too. The ones back in the 80s and 90s, I think they were quite a bit bigger. So, well, I'm hoping these are good, because I'm only going to really probably do one microphone. These look different than the one in the picture. It's the one in the picture I don't think had green on it. I thought the other ones that were $6 had green. So it says something on it. Let's see what it says. CZN. Is that CYT 1013? Let me see here. Let me get this to focus. CZN. Let me turn that off. CZN15E. Yeah, that's all it says. So, good to know. There's a marking on here, I guess, and you can find out. Well, are these different? But I think they're going to be smaller than the one inside the new yaesu microphone. The one I'm curious about is what they're using in here. But these do not have a positive or negative mark on them, from what I can tell. Wait. Right down there, maybe? Huh. It actually looks like maybe. Oop. So anyway, I don't know which one's what, so I'm going to have to look it up before I start hooking them up.